Good day, students. On this clip, we're going to be going over some examples on how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide complex numbers using a TI83 or TI89. The procedures that I'm going to show you for TI83 also apply to the TI84 classes. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be evaluating the following. Alright, so let's write down the instructions. So evaluate the following. Okay, number one, we're going to start out by adding number one. What if we're supposed to add 3 plus 2i to 5 minus 3i. Okay, so we can do this by hand or we can do this with the calculator. So let's do this using the calculator. You just need to know that the imaginary number I is the yellow option on the period button for the TI83 and 84, so you can just go second function period. Second function period gives you the I. On the TI89, it's on the yellow option on the catalog button, so second function catalog will give you the I also. Alright, so let's go ahead and enter this expression in both calculators and we will see the results we'll get. So for the TI83, which also applies to 84, we're going to go, we don't need the parentheses, you can put it if you want. So we're doing 3 plus 2i, 2i, second function period gives you the I, plus, now after the operation I like to use parentheses, okay? So plus, parentheses 5 minus 3i. When you're adding, parentheses are not really important, but when you're subtracting, you have to use a parentheses or else you ruin your answer, right? So press enter, and your answer is 8 minus 1i, or 8 minus I. Alright, in the TI89, same process. Let me use parentheses here so it looks nice. So parentheses 3 plus 2. Second function catalog gives me the I option. Plus, open my parentheses, 5 minus 3. Second function catalog gives me the I. Enter. 8 minus I is your final answer. So the answer to this question is basically 8 minus I. And you can work it out to see. You just go 3 plus 5 is 8, and then 2 minus 3 is negative I. So there goes the answer. Okay, let's try a subtraction question. 5 minus 2i minus 7 minus 3i. Okay, now when you're subtracting, please use parentheses so you don't ruin your answers. So let's go ahead and do this using both calculators. We should get the same result. So we're going to have parentheses 5 minus 2, where it's I. Second function period gives you the I. Okay, second function and then period right here. Close that. Minus parentheses 7 minus 3 I. Enter. You have negative 2 plus I is your answer. So we have negative 2 plus I. For the answer, that was the answer that TI83 gave me. Let's test it out on the 89. So parentheses 5 minus 2 I. I is second function catalog for the 89ers. Minus parentheses 7 minus 3 I. Okay? Enter. And you have negative 2 plus I. Alright? So the same procedure for adding and subtracting, it also applies to multiplying and dividing complex numbers. So let's try out an example on multiplication. What if I wanted to do 5 plus 2i times 3 minus 4i? Okay? You know, this involves spoiling it out and then combining like terms, the middle term, and then changing I squared into negative 1. All that work. Let's see how our calculator handles it in less than 10 seconds. So we can go 5 plus 2. Second function period gives me the I for the first number we're multiplying, and then parentheses 3 minus 4i. Alright, and then press enter, and there goes your answer. So the calculator tells me the product is 23 minus 14i. from the TI83. Same process applies to the 84 also. 23 minus 14i. Now let me apply this process to the 89 and see what we get. So we have parenthesis 5 minus 2i is second function catalog. Close that, times 3 minus 4 second function catalog given the I gain. Enter. And ooh, what happened? I messed up. It's supposed to be plus. I did a minus. So plus. Enter. Okay, there you have it. 23 minus 14i. There goes your answer. All right. So now when it comes to division, the TI89 is actually better than the TI83 because fractions in the TI83 are expressed in decimal, but TI89 has the option of expressing numbers in exact form, including fractions. So let's go ahead and try an example. Number 4. Okay, let's do, we're going to do 3, a real number, 3 divided by 2 plus 4i. Let's try this out, okay? Alright, so let's enter it in the TI83. So for the TI83, all you just need to do for that one, you're going to have 3 divided by, and then you notice you have 2 terms in the denominator. So in order to tell your calculator that you're entering 2 terms in the denominator, you have to encapsulate your denominator in a parenthesis. So parenthesis 2 plus 4 I second function period. Close that, enter, and it gives me the answer 0.3 minus 0.6i. This is a decimal formulation of the answer, okay? You can tell this is 3 over 10 and 6 over 10, or 6 over 10 reduces to 3 over 5. So let's enter it in the Texas Instrument and see how the answer is expressed. All right, so we have 3 divided by 2. 2 plus 4i. Second period catalog gives me the I. Enter. You see how it expresses it nicely as a fraction for me? So these two answers are the same. So let me write down the answer in decimal, in exact form, and also in decimal form. So in exact form, your answer is going to be 3 over 10 minus 3 over 5i. Okay? And that is equal to, in decimal form, 0.3 minus 0.6i. If you wanted a decimal form with the TI89, you see the green option and the enter button gives you the approximate answer. So you just hit diamond, enter, and that gives you the answer that the TI83 gives to you. Okay? Alright, thanks so much for watching this presentation. Please subscribe to my videos for more updates on how to use the TI83 or 89 for mathematical tricks. You can also request videos, ask me questions about how to use a calculator to do certain things. If you like the video, you can click like down here. Really appreciate it. Other clips can be found on mathgoodstuff.com. Thanks again and have a wonderful day.